Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete a retweet on Twitter. So let's open X and you want to find your profile page. To do that you want to tap your profile picture in the top left, and now from the list of options let's select profile. Now when you are on your profile you want to locate your repost that you want to delete. You will see the original post, and above it will say you reposted. Here it is. And now let's find a repost icon, which is green right here. Let's tap it and you will see an option to undo repost. You want to press it, and as you can see the repost immediately disappeared from my profile. And that indicates that I have successfully deleted a retweet on Twitter. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.